afternoon, beautiful people. Bihis tayo kasi pupunta tayong guys, ordering surgeon para sa sa aming picture for visa. And suddenly si Ben parang hindi siya pwedeng mag-drive, so kailangan kong mag-drive. First time drive sa Odessa.
Hi guys, another vlog. We're going where?
Is it in
We're in Ons, and we're almost late. Yeah, this happens.
Late?
We were almost late. Where are we? What are we doing?
Ang alam ko, nagkamali tayo dati sa
Ma, they need info.
Sabihan mo nag-antay by metro. Tapos sabi ko na sa kanya, hindi na info ng first.
Alright, so renew visa. So we have to look good.
We have renew visa, but we have to do biometric and tuto for new visa. In person to both.
Yeah. And today is a hot day. It's like, it feels like 26 degrees.
Every photo of my visa, I always have a different looks.
Yeah.
Pero last time, I booked on Iyama. Ano pa ta? 2 times before.
Kaya git man kita nag-age.
Yeah, libot.
Kasi dati nahirapan kita.
Kami mo na ito, Ben.
Nagmunat na ako one time.
Yan eh, pero di ko magnaantay. Kasi may time na kami ang ni Ben nung sa after school ako.
Oo, pero ano pa tayo?
Kaya ano?
We have documents like our passport, all of that. So,
ano nga na yun? It's 3rd floor, France. Ano? International Citizen Service pala ko invest.
are we even allowed to record here?
Oh.
Ma, this is the workers, I think. And I got that on camera.
They made an element where like they zoom in on the figure it out.
I don't know if you could see the head.
We are waiting for our number, guys. We are number 892. 892. So, yes. And guys, we are done. No, kasi okay lang yun kasi malabo naman talaga yung photo ng visa kasi nilalaminate nila. Tsaka nagkukulay ano siya by pink. So hindi mo naman makita yung mukha mo talaga. Yeah, your passport oh my god. Mali yung bukas. Kanina pagbukas ko patulak. Tapos so guys, now we are done. So makapag-relax na kami. Antayin na lang namin yung result. It takes 6 months. Ano lang naman yun, parang expectation. Pero sometimes nag-ano naman siya 3 months. Ano na yung result. So cross finger guys.
Well, 1 year.
No, it's 4.
Si Mr. Tawag ng tawag kasi alam niya na nagtatampo ako. Kasi siya dapat mag-drive na yun. Hindi siya nag-drive.
Oh my god, almost.
I mean, I think he's ano naman, trying his best na makaabot. Si Bent.
I'm almost at 90k views.
May picture ako kay mo sa ano? Tayo ka.